Here I have Porsche Panamera, and let me show you how to perform the factory reset of the Porsche infotainment system. So at the very beginning, let's start by using this home screen. Here you've got navigate by using the left bar. As you can see, if you scroll down the left bar, you've got access to the car. Let's tap car. Then let's choose the control, so this gear icon, and under gear icon you've got here a few sections that you can choose. One of them is system. If you tap system, you can here scroll down to the bottom of the list. As you can see, the last option is factory settings. So if you tap the factory settings, you will reset all vehicle settings and delete all personal data. I won't be doing this right now, but if you tap it and confirm it, you will delete all personalized data and bring back the default settings of your car. So that's it of this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.